Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. In today's online class, we discussed another periodic property, that is the electron affinity. So as you know that the process or the pattern by which the repetition of properties in all groups and periods after a certain interval occur, it is called as the periodicity of properties. So it can be observed in the following physical characteristic, in which we discuss the first one, atomic size, atomic radius and the ionization energy. So today we are going to discuss the electron affinity. So what is electron affinity? Affinity representing the love for electron, love for the acceptance of electron or the attraction towards electron. So the minimum amount of energy released when an electron is added to the gaseous atom of an element in its outermost shell. So by the addition of electron in the outermost shell, the atom having the negative charge and the negatively charged ions, they are called as the anions. And the phenomena, it is called as the electron affinity. So as you know that electron affinity means the love or the attraction for the acceptance of electron. The new incoming electron, when absorbed by the atom, is slightly bound by the nucleus of the atom through the attractive forces. Clear? So this causes an evolution of energy, means there is release of electron when an atom accepts the electron in its outermost shell. So electron affinity of the atom, it is measured in terms of the energy. So the energy released by the addition of first electron, it is called as first electron affinity, and the energy released by the addition of second electron, it is called as the second electron affinity. So here you first look at the first one example, that chlorine, it is a member of the group 7 and it having 7 valence electrons in its outermost shell. So for the completion of its octet, it has a tendency to gain 1 electron. When this chlorine atom gain 1 electron, it become chloride ion. So here this chlorine atom release how much energy? That is minus 348 kilojoule per mole energy, and this is said to be the first electron affinity. As chlorine having only 1 electron, having the deficiency of 1 electron, so its electron affinity having the single value. On the other hand, look at another example, that is of the oxygen. Oxygen, it is the member of group 6 of the periodic table. So it having 6 valence electrons in its outermost shell. So for the completion of its octet, it has tendency to gain 2 electrons. So this oxygen, it has tendency to gain 2 electrons. So these 2 electrons can be gained by step. So if oxygen atom, it gain 1 electron, so it acquire a minus 1 charge. So by having minus 1 charge, it having the electronic configuration 2,7. So for the acceptance of first electron, it requires the electron affinity, that is minus 141.0 kilojoule per mole. Still it is needed to add 1 more electron. So this O minus ion, it need to add 1 more electron and become the oxide ion, and its valency is minus 2. So for the second electron affinity, it requires the energy, that is 844.0 kilojoule per mole. Clear? So the acceptance of first electron, it is called as the first electron affinity. The acceptance of the second electron, it is called as the second electron affinity. There are certain factors which affect the electron affinity, and these are the nuclear charge, the atomic radius, the shielding effect and the electronic configuration. Clear? Now after the factors, we are going to know about that what are the trends of the periodic table. So as you know that in the periodic table, basically there are the 2 trends. One is in the group from top to bottom, and another is from left to right in a period. So in a group from top to bottom, the electron affinity, it decreases due to the addition of the new shells. These shells make a shield between the nucleus and the outermost shell, and the force of attraction between the nucleus and the valence electron. Clear? जैसे जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन बढ़ते हैं शेल्स के बढ़ने की वजह से, उतना ही जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी जो है वो क्या होगी, कम होगी, जबकि आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी जो है वो क्या होती है, वहाँ पे आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी जो है वो भी वहाँ पे डिक्रीज होगी. इन पीरियड what is the trend of the electron affinity? So when we move from left to right, the electron affinity increases. Period में shells नहीं बढ़ते, number of electrons तो increase होते हैं, लेकिन shells वही रहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से atomic radius जो है वो क्या हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है. So when we move from left to right, the electron affinity increases due to increase in the nuclear charge and decrease in the atomic radius from left to right. So the tendency of taking electron means acceptance of electron, it is increased. Clear? So this is the summary of the today's Zoom online lecture. Must revise these topics by yourself and learn the questions one by one, and must consult your notes as well as your book. Thank you.